Hello again, welcome back. And today's now looking at the man called Socks. Socks, the great Socks. Socks, I looked and saw what you had said had happened to you with those dogs eating your nice ram. Please, brother Socks, please, Socks, put up the rest of goat them carefully because once you see the dogs starting to go around, they will finish them all in one time, whether one night or one day. See how best you can put them up because losing even a kid is expensive. And when I look and saw that ram laying down on the ground, all because of those dogs, you know how much money a ram costs? And I see you working on your house, which is so good. I see you buy the materials. I remember when I was doing mine too. I feel so encouraged when persons commented. And I'm telling you, you're going to realize it, that it's a joy to do something for yourself. And when you take your time and do what you can and keep going, you will reach the finishing line. And you're going to look beautiful too. You're going to look beautiful too because you have a clean heart and you're trying to do your best to make it shine, make your place look nice. Because what? Nothing, you're not worse than anybody, but everybody have their own time. We all can, if we were all to move at the same time, what type of world would we have? It would have been chaos and confusion. So this person do this time and the next person. Now it's your turn. And when I look at you saying, see you by your stone and your son, I smiled. I remember my days too, you know. And then I see you doing the staircase. It is good. You have started again. You do according to your own timing. Don't use anybody's timing because you know your pocket. You know how much you can do within a specified time. And I am telling you, Socks, I'm encouraging you. Put up the goats because those goats, if they are secured, you can take your time and, you know what I mean, turn them over and help you with what you are doing. I know of many persons who raise the animals and use them to do what they are doing, send their families to school and to college. Do it. Don't let any other animal come and deprive you because ram is expensive, you know. Expensive. And remember that August, independence is around the corner. And quick after independence, we have Christmas. And I've come to realize that if it's 2 times in the year Jamaicans want their curry goat, it's independence and Christmas. It's to me it's not so fussy for Easter. Easter is fish, all out fish. But independence and emancipation and Christmas calls for curry goat, curry mutton. So save your animals, man. And increase if you can increase the amount too. And watch them because you don't want anybody to come and borrow them, you know. Because people like to borrow them, you know. And I know that when they borrow them, you know, it's going to be even sad. So you will know when to part with them. But work up on your farming thing, man. And if it means you want to build a place and set up it a certain way to secure them, as long as thieves and dogs don't get a chance to go in, do your thing. Do your thing. Because you're not somebody who run along with crowd and noise. I've observed you to be someone who will stand aside and look and assess, shake your head. You may not even utter a word. You may not even smile. And you keep moving. That's what I admire about you because you're always thinking, you know? So, whatever it is, you're going to move. You're going to move, man. And that house, when you finish, you see, because you're not fully started, you might just say, oh, this is going to take so long. But brick by brick by brick, or should may say, block by block upon block. And when you reach a stage, you don't see it yet. When you get it all fitted out, windows and doors in, and you look and you see it's painted, you may not even be able to paint the entire in and out. But you will first do the inside, if whatever, and you do a count to your pocket. Don't watch the noise. Because if you were watching the noise, you would not even start anything. And I know You do your thing and let others look. And I know you won't say anything. You only let them look. I always watch you when you were frying chicken, especially down at the beach when Colors and you guys having those visitors. And I see how you take charge of the kitchen, of the frying the chicken. You take pride in what you do. You're not in any rush with any noise on anybody. So you are that type of person. I've noticed that you seem to be a humble person who gives a lot of thinking, who is never yet in any mix up, stand aside and look. You will do what you have to do, but you will not get yourself into anything that you cannot get out of. So, socks, the great socks, continue to do what you're doing. Maintain your personality. You will achieve. You will get there. You know what you want. And because you know what you want, you're going to be moving towards your goal. And when you're moving, others may not even notice that you're moving, but you know you're moving. So keep up and keep on doing what you're doing, Colors. Socks. I keep calling you Colors, you know. Keep on doing what you're doing, socks. Because what? There's only one socks. Do what you have to do. Guys, respond to my video. Let me see you watch it. Comment on it. I've been following the team for quite a while now because sometimes you see me I don't put out anything. But I caught up with the reading and that when I realize time lapse on me. So I'm going to be more consistent. I'm going to be on time so that I don't wait too long when everybody put out. I'm coming behind. I'm going to try to be in the front. What do you say? Okay, so catch you around, guys. Remember to like the video. Comments are important. No matter how long it takes, I have to respond to all my comments. And subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Auntie D is looking out for everybody's response. See you when I go live or when I put out a video. Catch you again. Bye.